John Fenoglio is in the KTLA newsroom with details. John.
Well, Sharon, Micah, the president has said in recent days that coronavirus is dying out, but the new numbers paint a very different picture. Cases are rising in half the country, including Arizona, where the president addressed supporters tonight in a packed church.
Thank you very much.
President Trump rallying in battleground Arizona, where coronavirus cases are surging. State health officials reporting nearly 3,600 new infections, another daily high.
It's got all different names. Wuhan. Wuhan was catching on. Coronavirus, right? Kung flu, yeah.
The crowd of mostly young supporters cheering the president on at the Dream City Church in Phoenix.
We're seeing the majority of the cases happen in that age bracket of 20 to 44.
Where masks and social distancing were optional.
We have done such a great job with this between the ventilators and all of these things, including testing.
The president is facing backlash after saying he wanted to slow down COVID-19 testing at his Tulsa rally last Saturday. Afterwards, multiple White House officials said he was joking. Then, this morning.
At that rally, when you said you asked your people to slow down testing, were you just kidding, or do you have a plan to slow down testing?
I don't kid. Let me just tell you, let me make it clear. We have got the greatest testing program anywhere in the world.
On Capitol Hill, the nation's top public health officials appeared to contradict the president on testing.
None of us have ever been told to slow down on testing. That just is a fact. In fact, we will be doing more testing.
We're continuing to try to enhance testing.
Infections are rising in at least 25 states over the past week, with 8 experiencing a greater than 50% spike in new cases.
The next couple of weeks are going to be critical in our ability to address those surgings that we're seeing in Florida, in Texas, in Arizona, and in other states.
In Texas, a 4-fold increase in new cases since the state reopened. Houston area hospitals seeing a 177% increase in coronavirus patients over the last several weeks. In Florida, cases have tripled since reopening. According to the CDC, more than 60% of all infections in the U.S. are in people under age 50.
We've all done the best that we can do to tackle this virus. And the reality, it brought this nation to its knees.
The U.S. leads the world in COVID-19 cases and deaths. Data from Johns Hopkins University shows there are more than 2.3 million infections nationwide. More than 121,000 Americans have died. The European Union now says it may block Americans from visiting their countries due to the spread of the virus here at home. Back to you.
All right, John, thank you. Turning now